Brody. Big talking to the face like exposed them all niggas. Any kid I ain't fall nigga. And if it's on me, you better keep them tall nigga. He won't be. Better leave it in your streets, nigga. HFG. Now you niggas can't compete, nigga. You don't smoke. And I'm pushing out his teeth, nigga. We the step bar. He letting me this shit sweet, nigga. He won't be. Better leave it in your streets, nigga. HFG. Now you niggas can't compete.
Free LK, nigga. Hey, baby Elo, baby Hella. What's up, big bros? Sean, how's it feel to be out, my nigga? Hey, what's cracking? Hey, let's get it, nigga. Yeah. Realest and a skinny nigga, scared when I come around. Lock on my hips, see Lil Rico, I'ma gun him down. Trippin' with the homies, robbing niggas like I'm in the town. CTN, can't trust that nigga, why he always down? Bitches tryna let me, I'm just fucking and I kick him out. Creepin' on her nigga, pull the trigger, 40 kinda loud. Skinny nigga, big dick, pussy better make me drown. Hit it from the back, make it fart, pussy kinda wild. Swearing you a P, fuck for free, and you walked a mile. Free D for it, man, my nigga need some justice now. Are you 30K? Now we comin' with about 30 rounds. Now shots fired, hello killer, pop him in his brow. If he with the ops, gun him too, nigga out of bounds. Say you want that smoke, put that doggy nigga in a pound. Give him to a doctor, cause he woofing, we gon' put him down. Learn to use a net, he talk stupid, go outside your house. Blended with them niggas, we gon' get him, hit him for the clout. Rodin' ass nigga, eating cheese, call him Mickey Mouse. Goofy ass nigga, call him Pluto, he won't make a sound. Dumb ass nigga, HF blank, he won't make a sound. He didn't camo hands, cause I know she gon' come for him. Making niggas hit the gas, run for us, run for us. I'll even run the fake, no talk gangsta, I'm a savage. If I hit it from the back, then nigga, she a bad bitch. I could fuck her missionary, cause I know she love it, but I only give her dick, cause at 12 you know her back hit. Free smoke at your door like a package. Leave that bitch nigga locked, having fun with that faggots. Yeah, Bo dead with it dead, streets running rabbit. I'ma keep robbing niggas till my niggas living lavish. Yeah, P.O. dead, yeah he gon' streets running rabbit. I'ma keep robbing niggas till my niggas living lavish. Got your bitch on my dick, she so used to having sex. She so crazy like it's split, pussy tight it got a grip. Now she fucking with a crip and she always tryna trip. Spark a black and rubber clip, fake nuttin' and I did. Got that addy cause she horny on her nigga, that's a hit. Double back up on her block, fuck his mommy and his kids. Got that addy cause she horny, bougie dick, ain't no hit. Set him up, lil' act, call lil' spaz cause we got a lick. Why you say he tryna box if he love his mom? Make a status free smoke, nigga call your ops. The ones that killed your mans, now your nigga hella gone. Call a BK hella gangsta tone, tell him get up on that nigga. I ain't playing about my nigga lil' BK hood. Lost my nigga, lost my brother, wish a nigga could. If I went back, fuck I know it won't be good. Cause I'm riding through the city with that wish a nigga would. I'm tripping on some homies about my name, respect is crippin'. No talk gangsta, keep it stitched, never quittin'. If it's about my gang, I'm gon' blow, they say I'm trippin'. Never lost two homies in it, we sit back and listen. Get a gang, honcho ride and slide till I die. Free the game, free LK, we gon' do you right. Get rich, never broke, never said we didn't try. Already living till y'all slide and get your ass fried. Oh God, nigga.
Squad.